know I love you so.
The best stories are the ones that we don't script for ourselves. I just got to live in a movie for a day with all of the suspense, drama, unexpected twists, and I'm still pinching myself because it was a blockbuster movie with all those tiny cinematic details. Hi guys, welcome to my Coldplay vlog, and hi, welcome after a really long time. The first concert of my life. I got a last minute ticket to Coldplay all due to manifestation. Yes, you heard it right. It's a crazy story which I'm going to be sharing with you all, so hope you have fun. I had been trying to get a Coldplay ticket since last 4 months, but all in vain, of course. But I have this delusional self-confidence which ends up working in my favor. 1 week ago, friends were asking me, hey, are you going to Coldplay? And I used to confidently reply yes without having a ticket. Yeah. I did come across so many people selling tickets, but I didn't like the sitting, so I didn't want to settle for it. I didn't give up on tickets, but neither was I crying for it. I just knew it's going to happen somehow. Somehow it will happen. One day before the first concert in Bombay, I happened to reconnect with one of my old friends, and he just mentioned that he is in the Coldplay management team. And I was like, ho gaya, sab sorted. But he could really get me a ticket, but it wasn't as easy as I assumed it to be. Even he cleared it with me that it's very difficult to get a ticket last minute considering the conditions that you have put. And I was like, I'm not going to settle. I want what I want. I don't care if it's last minute or it's complicated. I want what I want. And he tried for the first concert, nothing worked. Second concert, nothing worked. 1 day before the third concert, my ticket just got confirmed, and I am having an insane schedule this week with completely occupied with deadlines of my college, my documentation, lot of important and things have been happening, so I had to rush to get an outfit. I had planned my entire makeup look with all those white stars and the studs that I wanted to do on my face, but that didn't end up happening. I was very upset, but it is what it is. Sad. Yeah. Fast forward to the concert day. It was a movie that I lived. There is no footage of the pre-concert vlog since I was in a chaos, crying and overwhelmed, navigating a roller coaster of emotions at that time. So of course my main focus was solving the issue, and I was in no mood to vlog that time because मैं सोच रही थी ना जा पाऊंगी कि नहीं अंदर. So I reached at around 3:30 p.m. and I was supposed to he was at a different gate, so he connected me with his brother Abhishek, and Abhishek was supposed to meet me at gate 4. He had my ticket in his hand, so I was like, yeah, I'll go. I was so excited, so happy. Abhishek was also in the team, and he was busy with whatever work he was doing. He was unreachable for like 4 fucking hours. And there were jammers inside, obviously you couldn't call. All this while, I was like, ticket confirm hone tak I was not letting myself imagine delusional stuff, but ticket confirm hone ke baad I was excited, and it's a different kind of pain when you know that it's confirmed and there's something which is not letting you have that experience. That was the worst feeling. अगर टिकट नहीं मिलता तो आई वुड हैव लाइक अरे हाँ नसीब में नहीं था, whatever. बट टिकट कंफर्म हो गया है मेरा और फिर भी मैं अंदर नहीं जा पा रही हूँ. दैट इज इनसेन लेवल ऑफ डिस्ट्रेस. आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर हिम. ही वॉज लाइक लिसन कम टू गेट नंबर 4. लाइक ओके आई कम. ही सेड आई एम स्टैंडिंग आउट. अभी गेट 4 तक जाने के लिए एक रास्ता था. उधर सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स बैंड मांग रहे थे. आई वॉज लाइक भैया आप मेरे साथ अंदर चलो एंड सी मेरा जो बैंड है मेरे दोस्त के पास है, उधर जाके गेट पे देख लेना. दे वर लाइक नो शो योर बैंड एंड गो इनसाइड. आई वॉज नॉट इवन एबल टू रीच गेट 4. सो आई वॉज फक्ड अप एंड आई वॉज जस्ट ऑन वन one dabeli that day because I did make an insane decision that I should attend college. You know what I did that day? I woke up early, I went to the gym, I attended my college, and then I went to Coldplay, all from Mumbai to Navi Mumbai. I should have freed my schedule a bit and then have a good experience. So it was all a hectic chaos, and I didn't eat properly that day, and plus I was on my second day of cramps. So the worst feeling was, fuck, I am screwed. Both of my friends were inside. I was alone waiting for them. I was seeing people everywhere with their friends, their couple, and I was also missing someone badly. I was so overwhelmed that with all that negativity for 3 fucking hours, and I was like, अभी क्या हो गया यार, इसका phone ही नहीं लग रहा. I started crying. I lost it. I was standing at a petrol pump वहाँ पे. मैं सबको देख रही हूँ, मेरे को इतना गंदा लग रहा है ना. एंड उस टाइम पे someone just saw me crying. He was also in the team, I suppose. I don't recall. इतना सब कुछ हुआ, but and I couldn't recall. So he said कि hey, listen, like calm down. There were a lot of people. They were like looking at me. Of course, I couldn't control my emotions. So they like asked me to sit somewhere, and there were a lot of people there. So the ones who were trying to get in, who didn't have a ticket. But मैं उनको मेरी कहानी बताने लगी. यार मेरे पास ticket होके भी मेरे दोस्त को phone नहीं लग रहा है, इसलिए मैं बाहर नहीं. I was in constant touch with Meet, my friend, but वो दूसरे gate पे था. He was like, it's impossible for me to travel and get your ticket. Still he did that for me. He tried to reach Abhishek, but उसको वो किधर भी नहीं मिल रहा था. And this guy who asked me to stay, he also started looking for Abhishek. He also didn't find him. You know what happened? Meet told me कि घर चली जा, अभी कुछ नहीं हो सकता. I was like, don't say that. I'm a person who never gives up. So it was heartbreaking. तो मैंने उसको बोला यार ठीक है, at least let's meet. He was like, yeah, I'll just meet you and then you go home. Okay, fine. And when I went to meet तब अभिषेक उधर आया. उसका फ़ोन finally 7:45 को लगा when Coldplay just entered. I was like, fuck. Then we had to, उसमें मेरे बैंड का गेट कुछ अलग था. Then we had to rush from gate 4 to gate 6, 9, I don't even remember. We were running and we somehow reached there. And at the security check, of course there's a security happening, and I had a bag full of makeup because मेरे को time नहीं मिला makeup करने. So I thought कि अरे अंदर जाऊँगी तो I'll go to the washroom and get ready and do all that star thing. So I just did a very basic liner and all, and मेरी bag में सब makeup I carried a handbag to a concert. That's very stupid. But फिर अभी उधर सब लोग अंदर जा चुके, उधर कोई नहीं. तो सिक्योरिटी में मेरी बैग स्कैन हो गई एंड उधर शुरू हो गया. एंड देन I unleashed my dramatic self and I started like, मेरा मेकअप, मेरे को पता था क्या होने वाला. मेरे को पता है मेकअप का चेक हो रहा है, नहीं अंदर जाने दे रहे. तो before they even checked my bag, I started like, oh it's expensive, don't. And she was like, they were like, अरे जाने दो. और वो मेरे को बोलते तुमचा नसीब चांगला है. I was like, thank you. मेरी बैग चेक भी नहीं हुई. मतलब they just saw ऊपर से, बट सब निकालने वाले थे तो वो सब स्किप हुआ. फिर अंदर जाने के बाद ये ऑलरेडी टीम में है, मेरे पास टिकट है. ये दोनों का बैंड्स आई कार्ड स्कैन नहीं हुआ. वी वर लाइक व्हाट द फक इज हैपनिंग. फिर उसी टाइम पे व्हाट अ फकिंग कोइंसिडेंस, उनका बैंड का कोई दूसरे गेट का दोस्त उधर आता है एंड ही वाज लाइक अरे दीज आर आवर टीम मेंबर्स. एंड फिर वो कुछ मशीन में इशू था या व्हाट एवर हैपेंड, दूसरी बार स्कैन किया तो अंदर जाने दिया. मेरे को लगा यार क्या हो रहा है भाई. आई वाज एक्टिंग वेरी ड्रामेटिक दैट डे. मैं मेरी एक्टिंग स्किल्स पूरी अनलिश कर रही थी जिधर प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था. एंड यू नो व्हाट दैट रियली गॉट मी. आई फेल्ट वेरी नाइस अबाउट. आई गॉट इनसाइड फाइनली. मतलब मैं अंदर सब सिक्योरिटी चेक इन हो गया था. वो जो स्पेस थी, आई वॉज नाउ फाइंडिंग माई सीट. ओके, एंड तब पैराडाइज स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग. I did hear Paradise. I could feel the vibe, but I was not at my place. I was enjoying it, but then I was like, ठीक है यार, चलो अभी क्या ही कर सकते हैं. At least I got in. I was not going to get in, and इतने सारे hurdles, and I don't consider any of the coincidences as coincidences. It was all meant to be. That's why I say this is a movie. मतलब उसी वक्त हमारा स्कैन नहीं हो रहा था इन दोनों का आइडिया, और उसी वक्त वो दोस्त उस गेट से इधर आया. Like all of that was like, I don't consider it a coincidence. It was like written. It was meant for me. I was so stubborn at my heart that I want what I want. I know the universe will do anything and get me in. So yeah. Then I was like, ठीक है, my main favorite song बाकी है मेरा Yellow, so I was like consoling myself, okay you missed Paradise, fine. No food. One दाबेली पे थी. I had one दाबेली at 3 o'clock. सुबह एक पनीर रोल खाया था and I was running. I need food from time to time. I was low on energy, but I'll tell you, the minute I entered the stadium, everything just disappeared. I have a very poetic description for what happened when I entered the stadium with all of that chaos. Like a whispered promise, I stepped into the vibrant thrall of the concert. The atmosphere was nothing short of enchanting, a symphony of lights, sounds, and the energy that seemed to transport me to a realm beyond the mundane. In that instant, the weight of my struggles lifted like autumn leaves on a breeze. The pain, the exhaustion, the hunger, all were forgotten, eclipsed by the sheer magic of the experience. Time stood still as I surrendered to the music, my spirit soaring on the wings of the melody and wonder. This is the apt description of what I felt when I entered the first second. Everything disappeared. It was all magical. I forgot that I was low on energy. I forgot that I was about to chakkar aake girne wali thi yaar. So, and Coldplay. Oh my god. Guys, now have fun, enjoy this vlog, and I'll tell you how Coldplay made me feel.
Such a long time. Oh, hold on. I forgot.
I saw the concert from all the places. Like because of these guys, we went to the standing. No. So the sitting level 2 or level 3, I don't remember. I think level 2. पहले उधर गए थे एक गाना उधर से I experienced वो वाली vibe. Then my friend had to go to the standing, so he took me along with him. I was not expecting. I was like मैं जिधर हूँ I'm happy. I just want to enjoy. And उस मोमेंट पे आई वाज लाइक यार मैं अकेली भी हूँ ना यहाँ पे तो भी आई डोंट केयर आई जस्ट एन्जॉय. बट फिर वी वेंट टू द स्टैंडिंग में चलते चलते येलो 2 बार बजा. Oh my god, Yellow, my favorite song. And I was watching all the couples dancing in love with each other, and I was missing someone special who couldn't make it. So yeah, it was a magical ride. Like, it was beyond beautiful. I was so happy कि I'm getting a view from all the 3 places. 3 नहीं यार, सब जगह से I had a view. I have clips in my phone which have the view of the concert from every place. So I was like, oh my god, what is happening? ये तो मतलब चौके पे चौका हो रहा है. And my heart was very full. alone here, I will have the time of my life. You know, the world had paused for those 2 hours, and you know, Abhishek was really very nice. He had a great company, and he ensured I got the best view at all times.
This is called My Universe for anybody you know. I don't care if you do. I don't care. Is there a sky full of stars? It's all you. Let's go crazy.
He's gonna make you put the phone. Oh, yeah.
Read it, otherwise we get sent for prison and we can't do the show in Ahmedabad. It says this: Dear Copeland, in your first show, we just read the look, and he's known to follow someone who's played 55 balls, who's gorgeous and you. Full of stars, 'cause you're a star, you're a star, full of stars.
The band, I mean, the best thing, I want to talk about this. The band was so full of love. They have this believe in love thing, right? So Chris Martin is the kindest person. Like, his heart is so full of love, and that energy was translated into the audience. We could feel that love, all of that vibe. It was just because he's a kind person, and I have so much respect. The way he was interacting with audiences, calling them, you know, you could feel it. There are people, there are celebs who can fake it, and there are celebs who are like genuine, and you can sense it. And I got so much of respect for that person. All of that passion and the love that he had in his heart was reflected in his songs, and even the vibe and the love. That's why he got so much of reciprocation of love manifold times by the audience. I love how well versed he was with Indian language. Like, he was talking in Marathi, he said Hare Krishna before a song, then he was talking about the places the band was born in India. He was so well versed with the Indian culture and trying to
Feeling so tired that she can't sleep. I can't reverse. When you love someone but it goes to waste, what could be? Now let's sing together. Let's sing together. Don't ever, ever let it go. All the good feelings.
Your skin, oh yeah, your skin glows, turning into something beautiful. And you know I love you so. You know I love you so.
This was the first concert of my life, and it was beautiful. It was magical. Thank you to Abhishek and to Meet मिला तो उसको दिखा देंगे. Thank you so much. बहुत तंग किया मैंने, but thank you really दिल से thank you. इतना फिल्मी अपना ये हुआ था ना आज सब. I'll never forget this day.
Enjoy.
I loved it. Thank you. Hi guys, हमने मीत को ढूंढ लिया फाइनली. So thank you. पहले वाले ब्लॉग में हमने बोला था कि मीत मिल नहीं रहा, तो मिला नहीं मिला ऐसा. So thank you to मीत. बहुत तंग किया मैंने उसको, but he still got me, and thank you. तो मैं ये यूट्यूब पे डाल दूँगी।
तेरे चैनल को डाल
यस थैंक यू, वी हैड अ वेरी नाइस टाइम।
ग्रेट टाइम उधर
हाँ
9 गेट पे
हाँ हाँ।
बहुत फट गई थी डायरेक्ट।
अपना प्लान कितना था भाई एकदम
आज हमारे साथ सुन ना ये कैमरा बता
आशीष को भाई
बता आज क्या हुआ।
सुबह ग्रुप बता रहे नहीं देख सब बता।
ये मेरे लाइफ का पहला कॉन्सर्ट था। किस्मत नहीं मैनिफेस्टेशन बोलते हैं उसको।
स्टेशन किस्मत
आज कोई आई ना मैनिफेस्टेशन का बोर्ड लेके कोल्डप्ले में
मैं
बिना बोर्ड गई थी।
पर मैं दिल से कर रही थी भाई, क्या फकअप्स हुए। Thank you. I feel the only two things that went wrong there were like I entering hungry, and of course I wanted someone to be there. And have we had a proper contact? You know, we could have a हमें backup plan होना चाहिए था कि अरे मेरा कॉल नहीं लगा तो तू इसको जाके मिल. That was the only thing. It was insane. It was magical. I think every English vocabulary, every thesaurus, which has synonyms for magical, miraculous, filmy, whatever was Coldplay for me. In the end, all the pieces of the puzzle came together, and it was so good. I'm so happy I had such a great start to the year, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. So I had a vlog which I filmed on the 1st of January, in which I was talking about manifestation in detail, that how one should be stubborn, like how I have been stubborn and I have always received what I wanted. And I was editing it since a long time, but the thing that what I said in the vlog literally just happened in days, and such a great start to the year. So I'm very happy, I'm very overwhelmed, and I think this will be a great year ahead. So I hope you loved the vlog, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and see you super soon. Bye bye.